It's my honor as chair to welcome you all to this 87th Board of Governors meeting of the Hebrew University. I emphasize that it's important that you are here. We have important work to do, more so now, I think, than ever. And what gives me great assurance and comfort is that we are doing this together.
We gather here under the somber shadow of the ongoing war in Gaza. Our hearts and minds are with the families of the hostages, the families of the fallen soldiers, and the victims of the tragic events of October 7th.
And I want to thank you for coming here. You know that it's not a normal time. And this is a show of solidarity that really warms us.
Welcome to Jankovic School. Welcome to our city of Akim. We are so happy to have you all here together with us.
הגעתכם מרצון טוב של הזדהות וחיזוק תושבי העיר, עבורנו האירוח מהווה כבוד גדול.
At 99 years, Hebrew University has been and will continue to be a crucial part of Israel's current and future success. It has secured a prominent and rising position amongst global universities. We should all be extremely proud to be a part of this extraordinary institution.
We are facing difficult times, but there are really great forces in Israel. I'll say humbly that the Hebrew University is part of that. And these great forces are here to stay. And because of them, and because of you, we will prevail and we will achieve the future that we all deserve.
I think it's apparent how important it was for us to be here this year. And I thank Yossi Gal and Ram Semo and their fantastic team. You put in superhuman efforts to help make this Board of Governors the tremendous success that it's been. As tough as these times may be, we will get through this together. We have your back. Am Yisrael Chai. Thank you.